If you came on a trip on the Great Bear Rainforest, I think you would leave changed, most definitely. You have this incredible connection with this extremely wild place that so few people who even live in British Columbia are able to access. And it's really wild when you look at a chart or a map where you are, how far you are from, other towns or civilization. And when you're out here, you really feel that. And when you come back to civilization, I think you also realize how special it was that you had the opportunity to come out here. It has all the things. It has the most insane landscape of almost anywhere, from the colors to the textures, and then it has incredibly abundant wildlife. Even if we have moments where we stop and just listen, and it's wild what comes to life.